It's like on an airplane.
On our way to Iceland.
I'm Vykintas, the co-founder and head of bioinformatics here at Biomatter.
I'm Mirmantas, co-founder and CTO.
And I'm Laurinas, the CEO and co-founder. We have developed an AI and physical model-driven platform for new enzyme design that allows us to learn how enzymes work, and we're creating new enzymes for the world.
What we are aiming to do is to make enzyme engineering faster, cheaper, and solving new problems that couldn't be solved before.
Enzymes are applied in a wide variety of industries, ranging from DNA amplification in diagnostics to gene editing to manufacturing new chemistries via biomanufacturing.
Each enzyme we build have the potential to revolutionize that specific part of the industry and make it much more sustainable. My advice to younger generation would be to not be afraid of building, because the future is not set in stone. The future is what you make of it.